And one of the pan, welcome back to my channel, man. So in this video I am doing crepe. So in a blender I will be mixing all the ingredients. So I am adding 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/3 cup water, half teaspoon salt. This is optional, but I am putting just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and this is optional. So now I'm gonna mix to combine everything. One cup sifted all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add a little at a time to the blender. So I'm adding just a little bit right now, and then I'm gonna blend or mix. So I'm gonna add the remaining flour. Yes, so I use 1 cup of all-purpose flour sifted. So I'm gonna mix again to combine. Now everything is fully combined, so I'm gonna strain the liquid through a strainer, and this is optional, but it is also to ensure that no lumps are in the mixture. Even though I blend it out, but you still want to make sure say no lumps are in the mixture, because it should be no lumps. So this is the mixture. Yeah, lump free. This mixture I am adding two tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use 2 tablespoons of melted butter if you want, but I rather to use oil because oil gives me a lighter consistency, what I should say, a lighter mixture, I don't know, than the butter or the margarine. I just rather to use oil. If you want, you can use melted butter or margarine. So just give it a good stir. So I'm gonna cover the container, and let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour. After an hour in the fridge, this is what the butter look like. So now I am gonna make some crepes. Put a skillet on medium heat, and now I am using a brush to brush some vegetable oil into the skillet. So I'm using 1/3 cup, I should say, to take up the butter and put into the skillet like this. So I'm not gonna turn the crepe until it kind of sort of loosen from the skillet. So now I'm gonna use a spatula to turn the skillet like this. Ooh. Yeah. So I fried both sides for a minute each. Yeah man, so my breakfast there. Yep. French. Crepe is French food. But we turn it in a Jamaican style. So I have crepes, fried plantain and leftover fried chicken.